Okay, so real talk. Have you heard of Niki Live? Because if you haven't, you're kind of sleeping on it. I'm talking about an app where you can literally just show up, be yourself, and get paid for it. Whether you sing, whether you just like to talk, or honestly, even if you just have a good vibe, there's an audience for you on here. I've been going through everything on this app so you don't have to figure it out the hard way. In this video, I'm walking you through the whole thing, setting up your profile, going live for the first time, understanding how the money actually works, all of it. So stay with me because this one's actually worth your time. All right, first thing, go download the app. It's on both the Play Store and the App Store, totally free. When you sign up, you've got options: Google, Facebook, or just your phone number. Super simple, takes like 2 minutes. Now here's where most beginners mess up. They skip the profile setup. Don't do that. Your profile picture and your cover photo. That's literally the first thing people see before they decide to follow you. Use something bright, clear, a real photo of your face. Not a cartoon, not a blurry selfie. Think of it like a storefront. You want people to want to walk in. And your bio, keep it to one line, honestly. Just tell people what you actually do. Singer, late night conversations, gaming and chill. Something specific helps the algorithm connect you with the right audience. Vague doesn't work here. Okay, so you're set up. Now what? You go live. That's the whole point. Hit the big live button at the bottom of the screen. You're going to see two main options, and I want to explain both of them because they're pretty different. First one is solo live. It's just you and whoever joins. Great for performances, deep conversations, Q&As, that kind of thing. You have full control. Second one is the party room, and honestly, this one is way more fun, especially when you're starting out. You can have up to 12 people on screen at the same time. It feels like a group hangout. The energy is higher and viewers stay longer because there's more happening. One thing I cannot stress enough before you hit start: write a real caption, not just hi or come join. Something like karaoke night, grab the mic, or let's just talk tonight. Everyone welcome. Give people an actual reason to click. It makes a massive difference. Let's get into the part everyone actually wants to know about. How do you make money on this thing? There are two currencies you need to understand. Coins are what viewers use to buy gifts and send them to you. Beans are what you actually earn. Every gift someone sends you converts into beans on your end. The conversion is straightforward. 10,000 beans equals $1. I know that sounds like a lot at first, but it adds up faster than you'd think once you're consistent. A couple of things that actually move the needle on earnings. Daily tasks. Open the Tasks tab every single day. There are rewards just for going live for an hour or posting a moment. Free beans, basically. Don't ignore it. PK battles. This is where it gets fun. You challenge another host, a timer starts, and whoever receives the most gifts during that window wins. The energy goes through the roof. Your viewers get competitive on your behalf, and your bean count spikes. If you haven't tried a PK yet, it should be your first goal. Should you join an agency in 2026? Genuinely? Yes, most of the time. A verified agency can get you better commission rates, an official tag on your profile which adds credibility, and actual support if something goes wrong with your account. To get started, you just give your Niki ID to a verified agent, and they handle the rest. Just make sure whoever you're talking to is actually verified. There are fake ones out there. Now for withdrawing. Once you hit around 100,000 beans, which is roughly $10, go to your wallet, tap withdraw, and link your bank account or an e-wallet like Gcash or PayPal. Payments usually process within a week. Not instant, but reliable. Honestly, the biggest thing with Niki Live is just consistency. Show up regularly, be genuine, treat your viewers like actual people. And it builds. It really does. If this helped you, drop Niki in the comments so I know you're starting out. Like the video if you want more of this kind of content, and subscribe because I've got more app breakdowns coming. It has always been Daniel on AppFix and Earn Channel. Good luck. I'll see you in the stream.